Yeah, guys, as I was saying, Cineplex is not a small company. Basically, they have set up just like this all across Canada, like one of this one, as you can see at this mall outlet here. Pretty big theater, and I believe that they have a potential to bounce back. Now, the stock right now is trading at $10.10. There's a great upside to it. Just gotta believe and be patient. Hey guys, I want to thank you for coming back to my video. As I showed earlier, the clip of one of the location owned by Cineplex in Canada. Cineplex in Canada is one of the long-standing company. Now they recently have a deal with Cineworld of Britain for $1.65 billion that fell through, and now they're left to stand on their own ground, and I'm excited to see what will come out of this. Now, what we know about Cineplex Canada is that they are an established company. Currently, they're trading at $10.10. They have a dividend payout of 5.30, and they pay a dividend of 15 cents per share. Now, the book value per share currently is sitting just at 9.33 cents. Now, price earning ratio per is 1742. Now, as what we talked about Cineplex Canada. Okay. Now, what we look at when we look at Cineplex Canada, what we see right away is a movie theater. But make no mistake, Cineplex Canada is the number one film entertainment company in Canada, including amusement parks and also anything to do with entertainment media in general. Cineplex Canada has been around closely for 80 years. The name changed over the years. You have Famous One, they have Famous Player, they have some location for Cineplex Odeon, SilverCity, also on like Scotiabank theaters, and also the famous one now that driving most of the attraction is Cineplex VIP, which is basically a VIP experience. What we could tell right away with the stock that's been mostly affecting the stock is that the theaters have been closed due to the coronavirus for the last 3 months. Yes, this could create a huge dent in the stock, which will reflect in the stock price right now. Main reason for the deal that got fell through the cracks with Cineworld is for the exact same reason. In December, when they made that arrangement to take over, the deal was they were paying for $34 per share because the stock was trading at that value. Since then, because of the coronavirus, the stock have fell down to $6.30 before it climbed back up to $16.50, and now it's back now to $10 once the news broke out that this deal fell through. Now, I do heard news that there will be some court appearances claiming for damages, etc., but we know that could take a long time. In terms of an investment perspective, I think it's still a great opportunity. Because the stock is trading at $10.05. Now, there is a press conference to be released on June 29th with the first quarter result, and there will be the conference to actually explain the numbers on June 30th at market open. That will be Tuesday. So on June 29th, Monday at market close, they will report the first quarter result. And in the morning of Tuesday, June 30th, they will disclose the full information. Now, I do anticipate at the moment, there has been no revenue for 4 months. However, I do know that they were offering experiences such as you could actually rent a live movie from their website and watch it on your mobile device or computer at home for a time-specific time, as well as they were bringing the movie experience to your home that you could actually like order on the concession stuff, whether it's popcorn, chips, hamburger, or hot dog through Uber Eats, that was bringing in some income or revenue for the company. I don't know the extent of how much revenue that came from. However, I do know that starting next week, movie theaters will be wide open as the malls have their soft open this week. So they will start making revenue soon. Now, the main thing you have to think about is the movie theater was closed. There was no revenue with the perception of the Uber Eats delivery and the movie rental from the site. And that was driving some income for the companies for those 4 months. What is more intriguing is that this week and next week will be a soft opening. What I'm concerned about, I'm not sure if there's a limitation of how many people that would be allowed inside each theater room, if they're going to be at 6 feet apart in seating, or if they will be allowed to go by the full capacity. I don't know. Now, the third thing I want to talk about is that if that deal came back on the table with Cineworld and Cineplex, will they make a deal? If they make any negotiation of making a positive deal for both sides, I'm assuming this stock will drive back up, close in the $20 to $25 range immediately. Now, long term, hypothetically, since this deal fell through, there's a possibility or there's opportunity for other company from the US or even from China or elsewhere to take advantage to try to go in to make a better deal. Now, Cineplex Inc. is the number one company in Canada when it comes to film entertainment, meaning that there are a few smaller companies that's on this side. Like Landmark, I believe, is a company from US. I'm not 100% sure that's here as well, but not many traction in terms of the quantity and of people that actually visit the movie theater. Cineplex also have Palladium, which is a huge and a huge like an indoor playground for older kids, similar to Dave and Buster, but same concept. So I do know when it comes to entertainment, amusement parks, they have a large share of the market. So long term, I do think this stock have potential to go back anywhere in the $25 to $30 range. Um, I I'm strongly thinking to take a position up again. I do have some shares from $7.30. I'm thinking if it drops within the low nines or high eights, and I will get some more shares. If it's starting to go on a rise, then I will stay back to be careful, not to catch it on the pullback. Now, for anyone that's thinking to invest in the stock, long term, I do think it has a high potential to rise. Short term, there's a possibility the stock may drop a little, but not for long. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a broker. I am not by any means recommending you to purchase any investment. Please invest smartly, wisely. Please do your research. If you're not sure, please contact a financial advisor or a broker to assure you of how best to manage your money. Now, again, as always, while you invest, please use proper risk management, including stop loss or other ways of protecting your capital. Now, again, for anyone that's watching this video, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate the feedbacks. Please like and subscribe to get more content and to keep up to date with this channel.